Now we're going to microwave a baked potato. Wash the potato by scrubbing it with a scrubbing brush. Gouge any eyes or nasty looking bits. And stab the potato with the end of the knife all over. A small potato like the one on the left will cook in 5 minutes, but a larger potato like the one on the right will need 10 minutes. Put in the microwave and cook for 5 minutes. When cooked, take the potato out of the microwave and sink the knife into it to feel if it's cooked. This feels very nice. If the knife had been hard to go into the potato, then the potato would need more cooking, so you would put it into the microwave for another minute. You can now add toppings, seasonings and garnishes, etc. But if you want to be pure and simple, then eat it as it is.